Hello friend, welcome to your own channel Pharmacy Knowledge. Today I am talking about those drugs which is meant to be safe during pregnancy. Those drugs are known as drug of choice during pregnancy. Drug of choice means any drug which is having maximum desirable and minimum undesirable effect for the management of any disease or disorder. So let's start discussing. So first classification is drug acting on endocrine system during pregnancy, which is safe during pregnancy. So drug of choice for ectopic pregnancy is methotrexate. Drug of choice for induction of labor is oxytocin. Drug of choice for postpartum hemorrhage is oxytocin. Drug of choice for hypertension in pregnancy is alpha methyl dopa. Drug of choice for endometriosis is danazol. Drug of choice for asthma is beta 2 agonist. Drug of choice for postpartum breast engorgement is oxytocin. Drug of choice for seizure in eclampsia in magnesium sulfate. Drug of choice for seizure during pregnancy is phenobarbital. Drug of choice for the hypertensive emergency in pregnancy is labetalol. Drug of choice for falciparum malaria in pregnancy is quinine. Drug of choice for gonorrhea is penicillin or ceftriaxone. Drug of choice for toxoplasmosis in pregnancy is spiramycin. Drug of choice for acne is erythromycin, which is orally used, and benzyl benzoate, which is topically used. Drug of choice for epilepsy in pregnancy is phenobarbital. Drug of choice for mania in pregnancy is olanzapine. Drug of choice for hyperthyroidism during pregnancy is profile thioracil. Drug of choice for hyperthyroidism is levothyroxine. Drug of choice for Graves' disease is methimazole, which is a antithyroid drug. Drug of choice for thyroid ablation is I-131. Drug of choice for thyroid storm in India is potassium iodide. Drug of choice for reducing somatic manifestation of hyperthyroidism is propranolol. Drug of choice for diabetic ketoacidosis is regular insulin. Drug of choice for pheochromocytoma is phenoxybenzamine. Drug of choice for acute hypercalcemia is furosemide. Drug of choice for hypercalcemia due to malignancy is biphosphonate. Drug of choice for vaginal atrophy is topical estrogen or HRT. Drug of choice for pain during pregnancy is aspirin or paracetamol. Drug of choice for depression in pregnancy is tricyclic antidepressant. Drug of choice for superficial thrombophlebitis is aspirin. Drug of choice for bacterial vaginosis in first trimester in pregnancy is clindamycin. Drug of choice for rosacea, which is NSAID. Drug of choice for seizure is benzodiazepines. Drug of choice for seizure management is phenobarbital. Drug of choice for rheumatoid arthritis is aspirin. Drug of choice for schizophrenia during pregnancy is phenothiazines. Drug of choice for seborrheic dermatitis is salicylic acid. Drug of choice for psoriasis is topical corticoids or salicylic acid. Drug of choice for Shigella dysentery is ampicillin. Drug of choice for bacterial vaginosis in first trimester is clindamycin. Drug of choice for cholera in pregnancy is furazolidine. Drug of choice for typhoid fever in pregnancy is ceftriaxone or ampicillin. Drug of choice for amoebiasis during pregnancy is metronidazole, which is contradicted in first trimester during pregnancy. Drug of choices for amoebiasis in first trimester of pregnancy is furazolidone. Drug of choice for deep vein thrombosis is heparin. Drug of choice for preventing neural tube defect is folic acid. Drug of choice for anticoagulation in pregnancy is heparin. Drug of choice for mania is lithium. Drug of choice for myasthenia gravis during pregnancy is neostigmine. Drug of choice for thrombophlebitis is aspirin. Drug of choice for urinary tract infection during pregnancy is ampicillin. Drug of choice for HIV during pregnancy is zidovudine or nevirapine. Drug of choice for resistant typhoid is ceftriaxone. Drug of choice for tuberculosis during pregnancy is isonicotinib hydrazide with rifampicin. Drug of choice for vitamin B12 deficiency is cyanocobalamin. Drug of choice for iron deficiency is ferrous sulfate. Drug of choice for antiplatelet action during pregnancy is aspirin. Drug of choice for anxiety during pregnancy is benzodiazepines. Drug of choice for RPGN is cyclophosphamide. Drug of choice for lupus nephritis is cyclophosphamide. Drug of choice for nephrotic syndrome is steroids. Drug of choice for steroid resistance during nephrotic syndrome is cyclosporine. Drug of choice for steroid dependent nephrotic syndrome is cyclophosphamide. Drug of choice for urinary retention is bethenacol. Drug of choice for enuresis is imipramine. Drug of choice for hemorrhagic cystitis is Mesna. Drug of choice for patient allergic to thiazides and loop diuretics is ethacrynic acid. Drug of choice for forced alkaline diuresis is furosemide. Drug of choice for cerebral edema is mannitol. Drug of choice for malignant hypertension is furosemide. Drug of choice for edema in liver cirrhosis is furosemide. Drug of choice for hypercalcemia is furosemide. Drug of choice for edema in congestive heart failure during pregnancy is furosemide. Drug of choice for edema in renal failure during pregnancy is furosemide. Drug of choice for idiopathic hypercalciuria is thiazide diuretics. Next one is drug of choice for acute and chronic insufficiency is hydrocortisone. Drug of choice for congenital adrenal hyperplasia is hydrocortisone. Drug of choice for tumor induced brain edema is dexamethasone. Drug of choice for mineral corticoid replacement is fludrocortisone. Drug of choice for premenstrual syndrome is selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, which is fluoxetine. Drug of choice for dysfunctional uterine bleeding is NSAID. Drug of choice for androgenic alopecia is finasteride. Drug of choice for hypothyroidism is levothyroxine. Drug of choice for hypothyroidism in children, which is cretinism, is thyroxine. Drug of choice for myxedema coma is levothyroxine. Drug of choice for reducing thyroid gland vascularity is potassium iodide. Drug of choice for hyperprolactinemia is bromocriptine. Drug of choice for acute gout is NSAID, mainly indomethacin. Drug of choice for chronic gout is allopurinol, which is a xanthine oxidase inhibitor. Drug of choice for making patient euthyroid before surgery is potassium iodide. Next one is drug of choice for calciuria due to hyperparathyroidism is thiazides. Drug of choice for nephrogenic diabetes insipidus is thiazides. Drug of choice for lithium induced nephropathy is thiazides. Drug of choice for hyperuricemia in renal failure is allopurinol. Drug of choice for gout in renal failure is allopurinol. Drug of choice for Lesch-Nyhan syndrome is allopurinol. Drug of choice for urate nephropathy is allopurinol. Drug of choice for alkalization of urine is acetazolamide. Drug of choice for Cohn syndrome is spironolactone. Drug of choice for secondary hyperaldosteronism is spironolactone. Drug of choice for thiazide induced hypokalemia is spironolactone. Thank you.